Mabuhay everyone, and your eyes are not deceiving you. These are the old Mitsubishi Expanders. But before you rip me a new one in the comment section below, these are pretty special. This is the Mitsubishi Xpander Black Series, and I have it on good authority that there are still a few in dealerships waiting for you to buy. Now, let me tell you what makes these two Expanders the Black Series. So let's start here with the front, and everything up front has been blacked out. That includes the dynamic shield grille and all the other panels here, including the fog lamp cluster. Over at the side, you have the blacked out 17-inch alloy wheels, door mirrors, door handles, window sills, and even this cladding down here. Last but not the least is the rear. You have the blacked out lower bumper area with the rear fog light. And that's what basically makes the Black Series black. So how much does this all cost? Well, the Mitsubishi Xpander Black Series retails for 1,138,000 Philippine pesos. That is a lot of money for something that's not necessarily new. However, they did a lot on the outside to make it stand out just that little bit more. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and also please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan of Yugo Auto. Paalam! Hello everyone, Pablo here of Yugo Auto. Now, if you want to know more about the car you just watched, please scan the QR code over here. And also, please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Once again, thank you for watching. Paalam!